Hello, this is accident attorney and personal injury lawyer Keith Conkle, based out of Naples, Florida. I just wanted to share this informational and educational video with you. Again, it's just an educational and informational video only. Certainly is no substitute for an attorney consultation. Before you would make a legal decision, you should always consult with an attorney if at all possible. In other words, don't make or refrain from making a decision without consulting an attorney, or just make the decision based on just this video only. You wouldn't want to do that because a lot of factors that I can't cover in a short little video like this can play into your situation and could change the facts in this scenario. So, however, at least this is some information that you'll have, and between this information, any other information you get or consultation to help you make a decision, perhaps. Also, keep in mind that I'm based in Florida, so if your accident, car accident, vehicle accident, whatever you have, happen in another state other than Florida, you're going to want to seek an attorney perhaps in that state, because different laws will obviously apply other than the laws of the state of Florida. So, question I get oftentimes is, if I'm in a car accident and medical personnel show up, either the other person called 911 or someone saw other people at the intersection or whatever, called 911, but I didn't call them, or what have you, should I take advantage of that medical treatment? In other words, do I have to go in the ambulance? Do I have to, obviously you can't be forced to do any of that stuff, but I would just say that if there is emergency personnel that comes to you, you may want to go ahead and take advantage of that. You may want to go ahead and go to the hospital, particularly if you have pain, discomfort, injury, so on, because at that point you may not know everything that you have. A lot of times adrenaline is pumping and so on, and there's injuries that you may not even know about. It's always good to get checked out. Not just checked out, but checked out thoroughly. So many emergency rooms, if you're not careful, they'll look at the very basics. Okay, their heart's beating, they're breathing, they take your vitals, look at blah, 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 and they don't take x-rays, and maybe they don't do everything that needs to be done. So if you're going to go to an emergency room, make sure they do a thorough examination of you. I would just encourage you to seek medical attention right away, especially in the state of Florida, because in Florida, the Florida insurance law, it requires a person who is injured in a car accident to seek medical attention within 14 days of the accident, or his or her right to insurance coverage may be denied. You get about 14 days. And you've got to get there as soon as possible. I'd say go the same day. Don't wait. That's my opinion. Number one, you don't want to make any injuries that you have maybe possibly worse. Number two, you don't want to have any risk whatsoever of your PIP insurance not helping you, personal protection insurance. You want to make sure that you get the treatment you need. Your insurance is going to cover it. And remember, Florida is a no-fault state, which basically means that your insurance company is going to pay for part of your claim as far as medical goes and so on. But you've got a short amount of time. You've got to let them know about it, so get your medical treatment. Hopefully this answers your question. I'm sure it don't answer all your questions. I know there's a lot that can go into a car accident, a lot of factors. So if you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is 239-269-3587. I'm always happy to answer questions. I hope this educational and informational video has been somewhat helpful for you. Thank you and have a great day.